Sagittarius women are known for their independent spirit, adventurous nature, and zest for life. If you're interested in attracting a Sagittarius woman, you'll need to be someone who can keep up with her and match her energy. In this video, we'll discuss some tips on how to attract a Sagittarius woman. 1. Be confident. Sagittarius women are attracted to people who are confident in themselves. They don't want to be with someone who is constantly second-guessing themselves or apologizing for their mistakes. So, if you want to attract a Sagittarius woman, make sure you project an aura of confidence. 2. Be independent. Sagittarius women value their independence, and they don't want to be with someone who is clingy or needy. They need someone who can give them their space and who is okay with them spending time on their own. So, if you're interested in attracting a Sagittarius woman, make sure you're not afraid to be yourself and to do your own thing. 3. Be adventurous. Sagittarius women are always up for a good time. They love to travel, try new things, and experience all that life has to offer. So, if you want to attract a Sagittarius woman, make sure you're someone who is willing to step outside of your comfort zone and try new things. 4. Be honest. Sagittarius women appreciate honesty. They don't want to be with someone who is going to lie to them or cheat on them. So if you're interested in attracting a Sagittarius woman, make sure you're always honest with her, even when it's difficult. 5. Be supportive. Sagittarius women need someone who is supportive of their dreams and goals. They don't want to be with someone who is going to try to hold them back. So, if you're interested in attracting a Sagittarius woman, make sure you're someone who is always there for her and who believes in her. 6. Be spontaneous. Sagittarius women love spontaneity. They love when things are unpredictable and exciting. So, if you want to attract a Sagittarius woman, make sure you're someone who can keep her on her toes and who is always up for a good surprise. 7. Be passionate. Sagittarius women are passionate people. They are passionate about their beliefs, their goals, and their lives. So if you want to attract a Sagittarius woman, make sure you're someone who is passionate about something as well. 8. Be yourself. The most important tip for attracting a Sagittarius woman is to be yourself. She will be able to tell if you're being fake or trying to be someone you're not. So just relax and be yourself. She'll appreciate your authenticity.